ngikusho lokho ubaba uZungu wayiqinisile methi inkantolo icorrupt hayi mina ratha corrupt hayi mina ratha ibopha abantu efanele baboshwe uyacindezela abameli laba wena ratha judge ratha abameli njalo mebekhuluma izinto ezibopha ilokhuzana ezikhipha ama accuse ecaleni uyabahlinela ubacindezele uze wathi umuntu we-DNA ushilo wathi according to i-summary yale DNA yamadini ewathathile uyaveza ukuthi bonke ama accuse are excluded ningazosibalela lo 2% lethi khona u2% one lo 2% owubala uyaveza lo 2% owubala uyaveza
ngiyenzana ibe nephutha
kusho ukuthi abizwelana ama-expert mengabe futhi uright ezophinda athi awekho 100% hayi bafethu ingazodlala ngathi inkantolo noma yini leya akukhona kwakhona right la bisecourt wena fana bumela umbuso futhi fana ngaba ukho bias wena fana ngaba umuntu owumidlement kopha uyakhombisa ukuthi ngeke ngithuke angisho ukuthi njalo kodwa ngithi ngeke ngithuke angisho ukuthi wayithatha imali we-judge rat kepha ngeke ngithuke mase kuthiwa wathatha ama-million ngeke ngithuke ngeke ungithuse lokho because indlela oyiphatha ngayo ngeke ngithuke ngingakholwa futhi baningi abantu abakholwayo lokho kepha ufakazi asinabo kepha ngesithuke ngoba uyakuveza ukuthi uyacindezela i-defense hayi ngeke sithule sikubuka kwenza into engekho kanje ngadabuka ngibona abafundi belo befikile mfethu begcwele enkantolo ngathi hawu labo bathi abafundi belo ngathi mina bazofundani ngile nkantolo ecorrupt kanje uzofaka imoya we-corruption lento thina sabantu aba-spiritual siyazi ukuthi uma ngabe uhleli endaweni wena usukuyihead umoya wakho uphumela kulabo abantu umoya kaRathi uzophumela kulabo bonke labo bafundi bafanele sabasathe ukuthi sobabeka izandla bakhishwe lo moya obangena lapha ecourt because inkantolo icorrupt labo bafundi ngiyabazwela babuka yonke le corrupt abantu likhona engadlaba abanye bavithi besibulaphethe begqoka sesisalo ngisho bameli thina abantu kuba ummeli ugcina ufakazela abantu abenza icala kusho abameli bathi thina sesicanga ngisho ukushintsha ama-career
uthi uLoizini I am at sea my lord khudirahalangi andazi uba kwenzakalani yengoku I'm back Manakokhai I'm back kubuskapinelo. So yesterday in Judge Ratha's court Advocate Baloyi was still cross-examining Untanzi, and yesterday he took him to his evidence where he says that Brigadier Geninda and his crew said to Untanzi that he is a taxi somebody. Umuntu amateksi, right? And they said akasebenzi. So to prove that yena akusumuntu amateksi and uyasebenza, Ntanzi takes them to where he was employed in 2014. Right? Advocate Baloyi then says it cannot be that you were actually trying to prove the fact that you are an employed somebody, because you were currently employed at the time and you were not employed where you took the police. You took the police where you were employed during the Senzo Meyiwa killing. That's why you took them there. There you were proving an alibi. Anti Untanzi, it could never be. It could never be. So zemtase. Mina lapaya. Bendia. Mina, I'm an employed somebody. Atubalo. So then why did you not take them where you were currently employed in 2020? Why were you not taking them there? Ati angithi lendaba lebangitshela ngayo. It was from 2014, not 2020. That's why I took them there. Ati ubalo, exactly my point. Nobody said to you, Ntanzi, you were a taxi somebody in 2014. Did they say that to you? Ati Untanzi, no. Abashong, they did not specify on a period. So ubalo ati, so why did you decide on your own to prove that I'm an employed person? I must go where I was employed in 2014. It doesn't make sense. But I will argue it. Don't worry. I'm coming for you, Ntanzi. Yeah? There was a point when Ntanzi was disputing the record. You know when Baloyi stands up and says, Ntanzi, this is your evidence from the trial within the trial. And then Ntanzi uyaphika still. Into ekhulume nguye in the trial within the trial. Hayi izolo uRatha wathi hawo. Kanti evidence kabani le ewidisputayo. Le uthi ayikho leyo. Ubani bekasho nje uthi uBaloyi, no my lord, I am reading Ntanzi's evidence from the trial within the trial. So uRatha athi manje Ntanzi mawuthi ayikho lento ufuna ukuthini athi Ntanzi maybe the interpreter waba ne mistake interpreter wathi mukhola instead of mkhana. Athi mina zange nje mina ngithi mukhola azange ngithi mukhola. Okay, blame everybody else but yourself, Ntanzi. Blame them all. Yeah? We move to a very important part. Ntanzi has always maintained ukuthi yena, he was never shown any picture, right, when he was arrested. He was not shown any sketch. He was not shown any picture. He only started seeing pictures lapaya a court. Uthi uNtanzi, I've never seen that picture. Gininda's never showed me that picture until I came to court. It's my first time seeing. Izolo ke uNtanzi wathi uGininda ungibonisile picture. Wathi uGininda showed me the picture. Athi Baloyi, hey bo, Muswena, you've been maintaining, Mr. LLB, ukuthi wena akaze wibone le picture. Hayi wavuma izolo wathi ungibonisile sana silaphaya esibanya or esibayi hey ungibonisile uGininda wathi akusuwe lo. Wathi uNkanzi mina ngathi mistake in identity. Athi uGininda usho nje. That is the evidence of Gininda. And wena nomuphisa. Today udumelana liyena Ntanzi. Judge Ratha then says to Baloyi, in the midst of all of this, now they are closing, right? In the midst of all of this, Judge Ratha says to Baloyi, Mr. Baloyi, are you planning on cross-examining Ntanzi on his confession? What Baloyi kanti sokuyenzakalani ke? Ungibuzani, my lord? What kind of question is that? Of course I'm going to cross-examine because you have made a ruling. You said the confessions are conditionally accepted. So I can. I'm not sure. I'm at sea right now. I'm in the Strait of Hormuz. I don't know. I would like you to address me. Like, I need argument on if you are actually allowed to cross-examine the witness on his confession. I know. I'll give you the cases now. I've already cross-examined Muzi. Almost the same cross-examined on his confession and the pointing out. So what's so special about this one? What are you cooking? Yini lo ikhukayo? Athi uRatha, I need to understand ukuthi the law has been applied. You quoted a case from 1960 Banbani, and the constitution at the time was nowhere. Things have changed, Baloyi. Bring a different case. Ramsipil, what do you think? Ramsipil, I will argue. When you say I will prepare arguments, my lord, there's no ways he should be cross-examining. Tulele is representing accused number 4 and 5. Tulele, the state has every right to cross-examine. Get us Tulele Uringna. Yes, it is within their rights, my lord. I am standing on business today. Mulao. Ratha, I get a you understand Hurina. Now that there is a version, Hore. The accused are saying, Bona, they never signed. It was pre-populated. The confession was pre-populated by the police. Who said there could be a different version, Horina? No, I was never even there. Tomorrow there could be another one, Hori. Hey, that's why Minanga signed. There are multi versions that are going to come or that are coming. And the state is going to have to cross-examine on them. They say that, hey. As long as the accused are denying their confession, I have a right as the state to cross-examine. Please, Ratha. Please. I am prepared to argue that. I am prepared to go take you to town, my lord, because I know, my lord. I don't have to be was. Authority, I don't know that support Baloy. Support. Now I'm like, what's going on? Because let's think about it, guys. My lord has accepted the confessions, right? And he says, should you bring anything new in the main trial, maybe I will reconsider my decision, right? I'll pull a commission. What the commissions did to Beneng, Asatum Beneng, we are Jaiba, Commissioner to Wazala. Yeah. I told my lord, I can do that for you in times if you can bring something different. Now, if Baloy is not allowed to cross-examine, and Urata is already saying, there's nothing new here. If Baloy is not cross-examining on the confessions, that means Ntanzi cannot bring anything new. He can't. He cannot bring anything new. So it is in Ramsey and Maninginigi's interest that Baloy cross-examines Ntanzi, and Ntanzi comes up with something that will potentially say to my lord, consider this one. Lo muntu lo masibheka hle. Hayi azange confess lo bamtrapile. Bamnyisile. Yabo. So now if Baloy does not touch these confessions, that cannot happen. Hey, Ratha, uyaphi manje? Uyaphi manje raro? Huh? So as a result, guys, they are not there today. They are going to prepare their arguments, and cross-examine. And you are smart, because if they cross-examine, that means there's an opportunity for them to cook. But if they don't cross-examine, they are taking the facts as is from the trial within the trial, which the ruling says that they confessed. We are admitting. Yeah? I get strategy when I go high. I can say when I wrong. Baloy when I go high. Lena ka khalla magomo be mo botse hore so ntanzi wena. Kenya. Babalang record thing. Ntanzi mag Baloy, my appeal to you as the prosecutor, while you are arguing this, you kopa o kenyele record. Or my lord, can you revisit this? Because Ntanzinje Oriena, hey, can understand the constitution. I hear bank citing. Hey, or when Ramsey, I think I believe in you. You can ask the court to say, my lord, in fact, my client is saying he never said anything. Play the record to prove that my client didn't say anything.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Senzomeyiwa's brother exposes uJudge Ratha ukuthi corrupt. He doesn't know ukuthi bambhadalile yini, because clearly licala laSenzomeyiwa uyabona ukuthi icala lelingeke lize lisolveke because ubamba la uyekela lana. Icala laSenzomeyiwa soloko liyachubeka. It's been years. Lokho abantu abaningi baze badebude ukuthi liyogcina lisolvekile, mara because why lidrega isikhathi leside ngale ndlela. Abantu abaningi bayaze bayasho ukuthi sebakhathele ngelo lecala because libonakala ngazuthi njena aliyinzawo lime ndzawonye. What do you think? Do you think ukuthi vele uJudge Ratha was paid as Budwa Senzomeyiwa asho? Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.